Hello, I am Mr. Daniel Ariel, a teacher of Ayeldo Catholic Basic School and a native of Abra Quadrija in AAK District Central Region. I invented this AD hand washing machine. This machine is operated by your feet. Doesn't use any solar or electric power to work. It saves much water, simple to use, and can be used anywhere. I strongly believe that this hand washing machine can help a lot in our fight against this deadly pandemic. It will also go beyond to protect Ghanaians against other germs or viral infections if we are able to make it available in our schools, churches, offices, and other public places. I therefore appeal to the government, NGOs, donors, faith-based organizations, stakeholders, and political leaders to come and support this great innovation. To support, place an order, or make further enquiries, kindly contact me on 0540 484710, 0540 484710. Thank you.